Hey, it's Big Jeff Audio. We're doing the update for April. So, for people that have been following along or new people, I try to do a monthly update in the beginning of the month to kind of let you know what's going on in the industry, what's going on here, good and bad. And that's what we do. So, we are in April, and a few things we want to talk about. Let's see, new product, IL Customs. Cal's been great. We brought in new bus bars, reducers. Just a ton of product. Basically anything aluminum or alloy, come very nice, polished. You can find out on our website under brands, IL Customs. But everything you need for basically distribution for dual aught into one or dual 4 gauge, even I think dual 8. And then we have some new bus bars for the excess power cells. So check that out. That's something fairly new that's taken off crazy right now. So that's really cool. We just did the 4K giveaway and announced the 5K giveaway starting. So, obviously we put so much time and attention into marketing online, and I said every 1,000 subscribers we got on YouTube, I would do a giveaway each week, and we exploded that. I think we're close to over 12 for sure. Just in the last 7 days, we've had over 900. So thank you to everybody that supports this company. And that supports our online social media. I appreciate that. I say it all the time and I mean it. Wouldn't be here without you. It doesn't matter how much work I put into the place. It still wouldn't be here if it wasn't for the employees we have and the customers. And not all the customers are so nice. First time ever, I actually put something up about a customer, and it was just evil. We stock and manage over 4,000 items. That means 4,000 listings. We ship over 5,000 orders a month or more. It's not easy. It's not a small thing. There's a lot of procedure, and we do the best job we can. I still believe I'm one of the few companies that have a full customer service team that's not a manufacturer. Where the other companies, you're sending in a message and waiting. We have a full staff here. All those things I never wanted to cut corners on, and it didn't matter about profit. It was about making the customer experience better, especially for BigJeffAudio.com and our dealer site for you wholesale customers, BigJeffAudioDealers.com. Let's see. So Gage, our installer, is working on the Yukon. Just finished up. There's a big truck show this weekend, so next week he'll be going full blast on the Yukon. We'll be having some major updates on that. Right now it was stripped down butt naked, and I know he was starting with wiring and sound deadening. We had another record month. March was like COVID. So 2 months in a row, over $1 million. Incredible. I'm just blown away. So that shows Cardio is alive, base heads for life, and the support's there. So good brands, good prices, great service. That's what matters. What else we got? DS18 this month or last month. Incredible. Sold more of those products. They're leading manufacturer we have here in product sales. Don't get me wrong, plenty. We've been killing it with Def Bonds and plenty others, but they've been bringing out a lot of new product. Customers seem to be receiving it, and they've been buying it, so that's awesome. Kicker really took off for us. I didn't expect it to take off as fast, just being only on our website. Kicker and Rockford are the two lines that we don't distribute. Everything else we do. So we're only allowed to sell it a certain way. But Kicker totally amazed me. Just last week I did a little short video because we sold our first quad L7 box, which is Cool box, kind of expensive. And I believe we actually had an order of product about $9,000 going to, I think, Dubai, or no, sorry, South Africa. That's crazy when you have international customers that find you and willing to spend that much money on product. So I'm blown away and humbled. What else we got? We wholesale dealers. You will be seeing this coming week. There's a big sale on some Tupano items to get them moving. Check with your sales reps. Demo Bros, big shout out, Jeremy King, Sparky, and the rest. It was a talk show I just happened to fall on at night, being home and trying to decompress. And the second time I got on there and I left a comment, they showed me tons of love. They had me on their show as a guest. It was a great time, man. It was just nice to continue to tell my story. You know, this is not investor money, mommy and daddy money. This is 7 days a week, sometimes 15, 18 hours a day. I don't stop, but it was good to tell that story. And also, it's nice sometimes just to kind of talk about the roots and where everything came from. We started our own career page, full blast on bigjeffaudio.com. We were doing a lot of money through Indeed, and it just seems to keep bringing the same people. They don't even know what they're applying for. They get mad when you ask them questions. So I did some videos on the actual careers here. You can check that out if you're interested or you're in the area. But we've hired a new sales manager, Javon. He's starting to fill in. We have another new sales rep, Chad, starting. Warehouse, customer service. I mean, we're pretty booked up, and we're over 32 employees. So it's pretty crazy that even a distributor, I mean, to have that many employees and online is awesome. We got a great warehouse manager, John, who came here from upstate New York. So we got we have some new people. We got a good team. We're having less positions to fill. So that always makes things better for everybody. Okay, man, I'm so humbled because, you know, we get complaints, obviously, like everybody. We're not perfect, or some people just like to complain because they were born that way. But all the love that I read, the comments, keep in mind, I try to respond as much as I can personally, but there's thousands. So we have the team that does it. They fill me in when I see things I need to get involved in, I will. So I'm just blown away with the support. You know, it's crazy to be a company that sells something and a product, but it's another thing to be a company and have so much support and love. So I appreciate all of you. So here we are, another month. What's coming up? Well, we're going to be, because we hit another record, we're doing a chicken wing and or fried chicken wings and mac and cheese and that for the team here next week. So that's how I try to give back. Our CSR team has been hitting crazy numbers. You know, everybody, when you call in, write in, text in, message in, there's a team of people there that live people, not bots, that try to talk with you and help you out. And they're doing an incredible job. Always real easy. 737 Big Jeff. You can WhatsApp us, text us, call us. You can chat in through the website Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. We tried to get into so much technology here with even the way we put listings up, how we deal with customers, our warehouse, everything, and we keep growing the place bigger and bigger. So had some funny videos, some American bass mishaps with some woofers. I got some more coming. If you didn't see it, there's an April Fool's video. Check that out. Kind of funny. I keep trying to put as much content as possible. We're starting now to just do videos of each department all day, and we're going to edit those videos, kind of give you like a reality show of what goes on normally. I say it all the time when I do the live videos out in the warehouse. It's real. We're not faking it till we make it. We made it. And now we're going to try to put together some reality type videos so you can see really what goes on all day. So that should be really cool. And hopefully you guys will follow that, and girls. Thank you. Please make sure you check the giveaways. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube, our TikTok, our Instagram, our Facebook. It's all at Big Jeff Audio. I forgot Twitter also. And we're going to keep providing great service at the best prices possible. There's still some closeouts right now. DC Audio, we still have a few woofers left and some tweeters. Unfortunately, it didn't work out real well a couple years back with the brand. More like inventory issues and things. I have nothing bad to say about them. Great company. It just didn't work out. Maybe things will change in the future. We have tons of inventory right now. We're still in tax return season. I think it's slowed down a little bit, but there's still some time. Take advantage of that, and I appreciate you spending your hard-earned money with us. We've been giving away a ton of free stuff for sure. I've been working with a lot of YouTube creators and giving them stuff to review. And I'm not even the manufacturer. I'm Big Jeff selling stuff for manufacturers, but I always tell manufacturers, you bring me aboard, you're not just bringing sales, you're bringing marketing too, and that's what we try to do. But at the same time, that's the way we give back. It's all for everybody. So even this video is just to kind of tell you what's going on. Other than that, I just finished, big shout out DS18 sent me a Hooligan and a Korean amp, 5,000 watts. I just had that put in the BMW. Sounds incredible. There's some pictures up. We're going to get a video made, get Ben on that this week, show you what it looks like, but it's on our social media. Clean install by Gage. It sounds incredible. But other than that, I want to thank everybody again, like I do. Another month is gone. We're into another month. I hope we keep breaking records. I hope we keep bringing in the right product. I hope we keep giving the same and good service. And, you know, you put the order in, we're shipping it out within 24 hours. So there are times where the freight companies, FedEx, UPS, they screw up. They lose things. The tracking doesn't show. Trust me, understand it's not our fault directly, but we're there to help it out and make sure it gets through. Sometimes if you're the one of the 1,000 people that have an issue, I understand it sucks. We treat everyone, no matter good or bad, first order, last order, $20 or $20,000 the same way. So I appreciate that. But check out our pages, check out bigjeffaudio.com, and we're going to do another month. I'm going to get back with you next month and hopefully break another record, and I have some more info to give you. Again, I'm Big Jeff from Big Jeff Audio, signing off for April. See you next month.